Have you ever wondered about your own intelligence quotient? If so, it's possible that a few other questions might have come to mind. For example, how is intelligence being defined? Which assessments would best measure your abilities, and where do you think your scores would fall on the IQ continuum? How do your scores fare against your peers? What exactly would your scores mean in terms of future performance? Or, if they indicated a need for intervention, which methods would serve you best? Questions such as these are addressed on a daily basis by school psychologists on behalf of students experiencing learning difficulties, with the end goal being to help children and youth succeed academically, socially, behaviorally, and emotionally. To help find answers, school psychologists consult the field of study concerned with the theory and technique of psychological measurement, which includes the measurement of knowledge, abilities, attitudes, personality traits, and educational measurement, known as psychometrics. The first psychometric instruments were designed to measure the concept of intelligence. The best known approach happened to be the Stanford-Binet IQ test, developed originally by the French psychologist Alfred-Binet. Today, the Stanford-Binet intelligence scale is one of the oldest and most widely used individual measures of intellectual ability, and is currently used in the diagnosis of conditions such as mental retardation, learning disabilities, developmental cognitive delays in young children, and for placement of students in school programs for the intellectually gifted. It should be noted that given the high-stakes nature of decisions resulting from psychometric assessments, it is suggested in the Stanford-Binet manual that care be taken in scoring and interpretation, and that supplemental assessments also be considered. For more detailed information, you'll want to see the limitations of use section in your Stanford-Binet scoring manual. Since it developed nearly 100 years ago, the Stanford-Binet has ascribed to the concept of general intelligence. The most recent version of the Stanford-Binet test, the Stanford-Binet 5th edition, underwent significant reformulation of not only its item content and administration format, but also its standardization procedures and theoretical structure, which was influenced by the research of Cattell, Horn, and more recently, Carroll. The integration of Carroll's work with previous research has led to the new Cattell-Horn-Carroll theory of intellectual abilities.